There we go, recording. There is a whole school, and this is lunchtime.
Have you eaten it?
Lunchtime in Australia.
Here you go.
You three are behind the glass,
Here you go.
so we can't reach you. Can you pretend to put it through the glass? There you go. Yeah. Glass. Oh, this one behind you is getting jealous. Didn't you just feed that one?
Yeah. Not on my clothes, please.
Oh, is any of that going in your mouth, or are you just breaking it up into pieces? No, that's okay. Don't. Don't you? Oh my God! Don't put your hand near. Oh my God! Don't do that. Those.
Fine.
Oh my God! If it had a. That's like someone that was. I remember seeing a video of someone playing with a. There was a lion in the cage, and he's waving his hand, and then the lion grabs hold of his hand and breaks his hand off.
Okay.
Those beaks are so strong. These are some of the strongest beaks in the.
I'm taking my clothes back.
Yeah, you can't put your fingers anywhere. You gotta be careful. I might actually search videos on. Why are you doing it? You're scaring them all away.
Yeah, I want to. So my friend dirtying my clothes. Least thing I want to do is to encourage them to break my stuff. Okay, I'm going back. Please don't ruin my.
Look, this one's gonna try and look. He's trying to bite your mop. That's just what these birds do. I'm not sure if these are smart birds though. They're not like.
Too smart, so they're naughty.
Are you smart? Is there anything going on in your brain? Yeah? No? You want to eat the phone? Yeah, eat the phone. This one has a double chin. Why do you have a double chin? Oh, you're not scared, huh? Hello.
Okay, thank you.
When I saw you waving your finger right next to the bird's mouth, I was like, oh no.
I wanted to scare it away.
This is, they see it. Uh-oh.
This is really fattening, so.
Why are you feeding it to them then? Oh.
Okay, move.
Oh, don't do that. Just. I don't think you're careful enough with these. These are wild animals.
Look, this one always has the best spot.
Yeah, well, that's just how it is. There's no reason for you to risk your hands trying to feed the others. Oh man, I would be really careful doing that. And then try to go through the glass. No, through the glass. There we go. Yeah, there you go. See, they're not that smart, are they? You said they were smart. A crow would know the difference. A magpie would. I think magpies and crows are the smartest. These two are like, why? And this one's like, oh. Why aren't we getting any? Look, like, I think this one's trying to communicate there's a wall, an invisible wall stopping us. Okay, so that one's gone to the branch. Let's see if it's smart enough to figure out that it needs to come the other side.
Let me try.
Oh. But you're rewarding them for being stupid. Just don't feed the ones there. They'll learn the hard way.
But these are the ones.
Yeah, but they'll still learn.
No, I'm not feeding you, but I don't think.
Oh, we're under attack. This one knows the closer it gets. Watch out! It's gonna touch you. It's gonna bite your neck.
Bite my neck.
Yeah, it's gonna bite you.
He's full. This one is full. You just dropped it. Okay, I'll give it to you. You're full.
And look at the floor.
Yeah, I have to
What a
clean
mess.
afterwards.
Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum.
What a mess. Okay, last one.